Hi guys, welcome back. Now we open our OBS. Now we adjust. You click on the plus sign. Now go to display capture. Then you can actually rename or you can actually leave it that way. Then click OK. Now you go to display. You select this primary monitor. Then you hit OK. Now we go to setting. Now you go to output, then you go to recording part. Now you have to select where the video will be stored after the recording. Then you can actually select anywhere, but I'm choosing desktop, so that's the place we are serving. Then you go to recording format. You can actually choose, but this one is the best for recording. Then you choose this. Now you go to video. Now you select this. Now you go to the ratio, aspect ratio. You select this. Now you go to the output scale. Then you select this. Okay. Now you go to this frame. Now you select 60 because that's the most important one, and it will be more faster. Then you see, you hit apply and you hit OK. Now you are all set. Now you can now start recording. As you can see this video is already saved here. So that's it.